my inspiration is always the landscape around where I live, which is sort of mid-Wales near Aberystwyth, and particularly kind of interested in sky and atmosphere and light and things like that. So, and particularly there's a river by my house, the Rydal River, so a lot of my work for this exhibition was based on that kind of landscape with sky and water reflections. I work in quite a loose style. I use oil paints. I'm currently going more into acrylics because of sort of health problems with the oil paints, but a lot of the work here is sort of either one or the other. I work in a loose style, so I like to use the paint to lead the work. So sometimes it's not just I don't have a very preconceived idea of what the work is going to be. I sort of use the paint quite loosely, and I like to let the work sort of dictate somehow the direction. My sort of two big artists sort of in the past are Constable and Turner. They've been a massive sort of influence on me, and then I'm really interested in all sorts of contemporary landscape artists as well as